Today, we're going to review iKnow animals, letters, and sounds with the San Diego Zoo. Let's take a first look, shall we? Wow, this design is awesome based on the BBC documentaries. And over here on level 1, there's the rainforest. And over here, we've got Africa, the rhythm of life. And last of all is, of course, San Diego Zoo, based on all of the animals from around the world. Then, I think it's music, because music is in the, iKnow animals, letters, and sounds with the San Diego Zoo case. So, I give it a 10 out of 10. So, what do you think about this DVD? Leave a like in the comments down below.